We all know autism can give you superpowers, but at the same time makes other things a little more challenging. Sourdough is so easy, my sweet 16-year-old autistic daughter can make it with no fridge, no kneading, and no adult help. So if she can, you can too. So having a daughter on the spectrum, I do as much as I can to help her achieve her full potential. That's why I love pantry meals. They are so easy, literally anyone can make them. So without further ado, Ella, my 16-year-old, will be showing you how easy it is to make the loaded potato sourdough with only 10 minutes of work. So take it away, Ella.
Thanks, Paul. I'm Ella, I'm 16, and you'll find me here in my mom's recipes to show you how easy they are, because I can do it, you could do it too. There is everything you need: sourdough starter, water, salt, and flour. That's it. All I do is mix a half cup of starter, 1 1/3 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 4 cups of flour in a bowl with the burn knife until it looks like a sticky mess. That's it. No kneading or muscles acquired. I covered it with a shower cap, let it sit on the counter for 20 hours. Seriously, just leave it on the counter, completely ignored while I go live my best life, drawing, mythical, and swinging my favorite chair on the porch. The next day, my dough double, all nice and fluffy, so I popped it into my parchment-lined in loaf pan. I let it rise again for like 90 minutes while to do whatever I wanted, like eat a popsicle. When the timer went off, I preheated the oven to 400 degrees and baked it for an hour. My house smelled like an actual bakery. I felt it very professional. I pulled it out, let it cool, then cut it open, and it was perfection. Crusty on the outside and soft and chewy on the inside. This is sourdough for people who are busy, lazy, or teenagers like me. It's cheap, shelf-stable, and honestly pretty fun. So if I can do this, anyone can. Get the full recipe at loadedpotato.org and go make some bread already.